All around the world, there are similar documented reports of a giant ape-like creature that walks upright on two massive legs. We've all heard the stories in books, movies, TVs, and popular media. Hey guys, Mike here, and hope you're all doing well. In North America, this creature goes by the name of Bigfoot or Sasquatch. But in China, there is an animal that goes by the name of Yeren or wild man. Now, over the years, there's been a lot of interest by Chinese scientists from high-level institutions studying potential Yeren evidence. And I myself came about this creature while I was researching my upcoming novel, Gigantopithecus. There is a remote corner in the Hubei province of China called Shenangjia. Now, it's a nature preserve that covers some 1,900 square miles, and the area itself is categorized as having rugged and remote 10,000 tall-foot mountains and deep valleys. It is this area that is considered to be a prime area for such a creature to inhabit, and it is also where a majority of the Yeren sightings have come from. Many of the people that have claimed to see a Yeren have cited that they have seen an animal that strangely has human characteristics, with one individual back in 1994 claiming that he captured a juvenile Yeren only to let it go when he saw its eyes fill with tears. Now, it's important to note that tears are unique to humans, and primates do not have the ability to do this. So what does a Yeren look like? Good question. In one particular encounter, the creature was described as having reddish-brown fur and stood more than 6 feet in height and had the ability to leave a footprint that was more than 18 inches in length. That definitely is a large animal. Just on the print alone, that would be very huge. Now, there are some that believe that the Yeren might actually be the extinct Gigantopithecus. For me personally, this is how I encountered it, and I will continue to do research on it as it's become a really cool new creature that I've learned about. There are many that still believe that the Yeren could be hiding, just waiting to be discovered in that vast and remote Shenangjia Reserve. Let us know what you think on this topic, and thanks as always for watching, you guys. Take care.